The Supreme Court's been told that the case against the man accused of murdering the Lin family is exceptionally weak. Robert Xie's barrister told a bail hearing today that none of his client's DNA had been found at the crime scene. But prosecutors argued there's still plenty of evidence that Xie killed 5 members of the Lin family at their North Epping home.
Detective Sergeant Joe Marie is in charge of the investigation into the murders of newsagent Min Lin, his wife, her sister and 2 other family members in 2009. He was questioned in detail about the case against Mr Lin's brother-in-law, Robert Xie. Detective Marie denied claims there's been a single-minded pursuit of Xie. He said other lines of inquiry had been pursued and eliminated. Xie's barrister put it to the officer, "You don't have a time of death, do you?" He replied, "Not precisely, no." Detective Marie accepted Xie had no history of violence or animosity to the victims, but when asked about a motive, he said, "I believe that the accused had underlying hatred towards his in-laws," adding there was evidence of jealousy in telephone intercepts. Xie's barrister said analysis of a blood spot found at his client's garage was inconclusive. He said the brand of shoe said to link Xie to the crime scene was extremely common, but Crown Prosecutor Kara Sheed said this is not by any means a weak Crown case. She said the blood found at Xie's home could have belonged to more than one of the victims. The wife of the accused killer was in court to support her husband and has offered $300,000 surety. Xie's barrister said his client had been to China and returned a number of times prior to his arrest. But the Crown argued his interests in China meant that he continued to be a flight risk. Justice Derek Price will hand down his decision on bail for Xie next Thursday. Carl Herr, ABC News.